Hey folks, how many of you got wet on the way to lunch today? Boy, some good rain in parts of the valley around midday, but it has since moved out. Look at this, radar, Harlingen, Raymondville seeing rain, good rain in Edinburgh earlier today. Everything moving off to the north now, and that's it. It is gone, and we're probably done for the day. Here's where rain fell, according to Doppler, and you can see it was spotty again, but where it came down pretty good. The heavy stuff in Willacy County, close to an inch just west of Port Mansfield, according to Doppler, down around Santa Monica, just over a half an inch. Southwest side of Raymondville, a little over a half an inch. Of course, the big stuff was west of there yesterday, down along Highway 107 near Santa Rosa, just about a half an inch. And then you can see just east of the airport in Harlingen, 1.3, some heavier stuff down close to San Benito, and then you get off to the west, very spotty. South of San Juan, about 4/10, and then the northwest side of Edinburgh, about a half an inch of rain. So it was spotty. Other places seeing less than that. Some places seeing absolutely nothing. Future Track says it all goes away tonight, and then we start over again tomorrow. First thing in the morning, scattered showers, a couple of thunder showers pop up, and there we are midday again. Scattered stuff across the valley around lunchtime. And stuff could stick around into the afternoon hours. I think tomorrow might be a little more active than today was probably. And then tomorrow night it quiets down again, and then it comes back on Thursday. And then Friday, just a stray storm left over. Friday probably less active as we get into a little bit of a lull in the moisture. Doesn't go away, but at least it goes away just a little bit. These are the current temperatures. 90 Port Isabel, Brownsville's 91, 93 in Weslaco, 95 in McAllen. Low temperatures tonight about 76 in Raymondville, about 77 in the west, about 81 at the beach. There could be a stray shower overnight near the coast, but most areas stay dry. And then tomorrow we're right back up in the 90s again, but of course if it rains you cool off. Southeast winds about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Normal high for this time of year, the 30-year average is 93. We'll be a little bit above that tomorrow. We bring it down to 92 for Thursday and for Friday. Looking at the Gulf of Mexico, lots of moisture out there. A little bit of a disturbance almost right on top of us now, an upper air disturbance. But what that does is pull all this moisture right up into Texas, and that's why we're seeing rain here today and all the way up through Houston, San Antonio, scattered showers throughout the region. A little bit of a trough right there. Upper level wind flow, though, still coming firmly out of the tropics. It will continue to do that the next few days, so the moisture feed is there. That disturbance pushes away by the end of the week, but there's other disturbances kind of caught up in the flow. One particularly strong when it gets into the eastern Gulf by Friday. Most of the models eventually take all this moisture to the north, but we got to watch to see if it can continue to give us a rain chance by the end of the forecast period. Watching a lot in the tropics. This system due in the Gulf of Mexico by the weekend, about a 30% chance of it developing 5 days out. Two other systems we're watching in the tropics. This one down here, 20% chance of developing 2 to 5 days. Another one coming off Africa, a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days. We will watch all of those. So for tonight for us, partly cloudy. A stray leftover shower, not much. Most areas are dry. Then tomorrow, mainly cloudy with an isolated thunderstorm or two around. About a 40% probability of showers and storms tomorrow. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Temperatures stay in the low to mid 90s. Best chance probably the next 2 days for rain. Then it kind of fades away, then comes back early next week. But for the most part, it's just a mix of clouds and sun, each day interrupted briefly by a shower or a thunderstorm. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.